This trip to Peterborough gave us some proper good insight into how technology is enhancing the servicing and efficiency of some of our favourite kitchen appliances.
We've certainly seen the development of connected products. One of the key things for us as a manufacturer is to make sure that the consumer can understand what is the tangible benefit to them of that. So it's not just the fact that they can use less energy, less water and make savings, but connected products can help guide you as to how to get the best out of the product, but also how to improve its efficiency. And secondly, it's also linked to how to understand the serviceability of it. So is the product displaying symptoms that might need an engineer to be called as well? Some of the key innovations that we're seeing in terms of development of product, as I mentioned, in terms of continuous reduction in energy, continuous reduction in water, but it's also being things like lower noise as well. So really understanding what matters to consumers, but then develop innovations that meet those needs rather than just technology for the sake of it.
And the smart tech stuff isn't just utilised within the products themselves, but from a customer perspective, it's enabled faster, digital-based solutions.
Now this here is your model number, and I'm just going to send that back to you just to confirm you've received that.
There's been changes from a digital perspective in terms of people buying the products, but also then when they interact with and need particularly customer service. So we've seen a huge growth in people contacting us for advice or information, but in digital channels. So not just the traditional calling people, but we're using WhatsApp, we're using email, Facebook, Twitter, but we also have a bot now that really helps guide consumers to give 24-hour support, whatever they need, whenever they need it. And if they still need to talk to one of us, then we're here to support them as well.
With technology continuing to revolutionise the things we buy, I'd be keeping my eye on appliances that companies like Whirlpool produce. There's bound to be exciting future innovations.